I would describe a typical day of my internship as part of building a puzzle. Each day we are trying to connect the pieces in hopes of seeing the bigger picture.
My typical day in the FINRA internship program shows a great balance between independent work and collaboration.
A lot of it has to do with learning, which I've been enjoying so much. Like, we pay money to learn in college, but at FINRA, they're empowering us and paying us to learn, which is incredible. It's an awesome opportunity.
My typical day as an examinations intern consists of shadowing my team members on the exams they're working on, completing training courses on FINRA rules, and working on and participating in the exams that I've been assigned.
Doing some independent research, data analysis, or other projects given to me by my manager. And beyond that, it's just checking in with everyone and staying updated on my email and on Microsoft Teams.